In today's video, I'll show you how to set up the Facebook Conversion API using Stape.io. This setup helps improve Facebook pixel accuracy, recover lost events from ad blockers, and send more reliable conversion data to Meta. Let's start. First, log in to your Stape.io account. If you don't have one yet, create a new account and complete the sign up. Once you're inside the dashboard, head to the main menu and look for Meta Conversions API Gateway. Click on it to continue. Now, create a new gateway by clicking Create Gateway. Enter a clear name so you can easily identify it later. Next, choose your server location, such as US, Europe, or Asia. Pick the region closest to your users, and if you operate in Europe, make sure you select an EU-friendly zone to stay GDPR compliant. After that, select a pricing plan. Stape.io usually offers a 7-day free trial, which is perfect for testing. Once the trial ends, you can choose a per pixel plan or a bulk plan depending on your tracking needs. When the gateway is created, it's time to connect your Facebook pixel. Click Connect to Meta and log in through your Meta account. During this step, approve the permissions so Stape.io can access your assets. Then, select the correct Facebook pixel from your Meta business account. At this stage, you can also enable advanced matching. This option sends additional user data like email or phone when available, helping Meta better match conversions and improve ad performance. Once everything is connected, your Facebook Conversion API setup via Stape.io is complete. Events will now be sent server-side, giving you more accurate and reliable conversion tracking. That's it. You've successfully set up Facebook Conversion API using Stape.io and taken a big step toward better tracking and smarter ad optimization.